Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC's powerful business monitor lineup P3 with USB-C docking and friend. This professional P3 lineup with 7 new monitors in 3 different sizes 24-inch, 27-inch and 34-inch and ultra-wide 3-sided frameless, punchy and vivid IPS or VA panels for 178 by 178 degree wide viewing angles for increased viewing comfort when working online, on text, spreadsheets, coding, graphics work and more. And friend, while their ergonomic stand enable a comfy working environment, 4-port USB 3.2 hubs on all models gives further versatility in any business setting. And friend, what makes these monitors stand out, however, are in varying combination. They are built-in 2-megapixel or 5-megapixel webcams with Windows Hello support to let users instantly log into their session, a DisplayPort output to create clean and sleek multi-monitor setups, and built-in USB Type-C docking station to transform a laptop-based working environment to a productive desktop-based one with only a single cable. And all new P3 models comes in sustainable paper cushion packaging, and they are certified with the latest environmental regulations such as EPEAT, EnergyStar 8, TCO 9.0 and EPEAT. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.